Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Now we are going to study the next topic of our English course book. Today's topic is the poem. The title of the poem is You Start Dying Slowly, which is written by Pablo Neruda. Pablo Neruda is a well known poet and he expressed his views about life and how we can make our life happy. The title of the poem is You Start Dying Slowly. It means indirectly, if anybody doesn't participate in different activities of life, if anybody doesn't take any risk, and if anybody doesn't take any or doesn't accept any challenge, it means he loses the hope of happy future. Here, poet expressed and presented his views about life. As we know, life is the precious gift we have. We have to live it. The concept is there, we have to live it. Existence is not important. Our life should be lived, and who will live our life? Obviously, we have to live our life. And today, we are going to see this type of concept by the poet. The title of the poem is You Start Dying Slowly. I am going to read and explain it in English as well as in your mother tongue. You may see the stanzas here also. You may see on page number 42. The title is there, You Start Dying Slowly. I told you the meaning of You Start Dying Slowly. Here, start dying slowly means to lose the hope of happy future. Now see, the poet is saying, if you do not travel, if you do not read, if you do not listen to the sounds of life, if you do not appreciate yourself, you start dying slowly. In this first stanza, poet is expressing his views and giving some situations that if you do not travel, अगर आप ट्रैवल नहीं करते हैं, अगर आप रीडिंग नहीं करते हैं, यानी आपकी शेड्यूल में, आपकी एक्टिविटीज़ में अगर रीडिंग नहीं है, क्योंकि रीडिंग की तरफ से भी एक कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत ज़्यादा यानी जम माना जाता है कि टुडेज़ रीडर विल बी द टुमारोज़ लीडर. इफ़ यू आर रीडिंग, you will be the leader, and if you are not making reading as a habit, you will not get the results, you will not get or you will not achieve your target or goal. Here, if you do not listen to the sounds of life, whatever sounds we have in our life, and if you don't listen them, it do यानी यहाँ पे सुन listen यानी अगर नहीं सुनने से मुराद, if you don't participate in different activities of life, if you do not present yourself in different activities, same as if you do not appreciate yourself, appreciate करना, to praise someone. अब यहाँ पे किससे अप्रिशिएट करने के लिए कहा जा रहा है, किसी की तारीफ या किसे सराहने के लिए कहा जा रहा है? अपने आप को. If you do not appreciate yourself, it is a very important concept about the appreciation of ourselves. Because it is the natural fact that every and each individual wants appreciation. यानी हर उम्र के हर दौर में हर इंडिविजुअल एप्रिसिएशन चाहता है. जो भी उसकी एक्टिविटीज़ है, जो भी उसकी यानी ये समझिए जिस भी एरिया में वो काम कर रहा है, जिस भी एरिया में, चाहे वो स्टूडेंट हो, चाहे वो जो भी लेवल पे हो, वो चाहेगा, उसकी एक फितरी एक ख्वाहिश रहेगी कि उसके काम की तारीफ़ की जाए, उसके काम को सराहा जाए. और यहाँ एक पॉइंट सबसे अहम कॉन्सेप्ट दे रहे हैं कि कोई अप्रिशिएट करे ना करे, सबसे पहले यू शुड अप्रिशिएट टू योरसेल्फ. आपको अपने आप को अप्रिशिएट करना है. इफ़ यू विल अप्रिशिएट टू योरसेल्फ, व्हाट विल हैपन? You will do your work properly and there will be improvement in your performance. Why? Because you are satisfied, you are we can say appreciating to yourself, because appreciation helps to improve our performance. तो यहाँ पे poet क्या कह रहे हैं कि if you do not appreciate to yourself, you start dying slowly. It means you started to lose the hope. Now see the next stanza. When you kill your self-esteem, self-respect. If जब आप अपने self-respect को मार दोगे, इसी तरीके से when you do not let others help you, और अगर आप दूसरों को अपनी मदद के लिए नहीं हेल्प वो देते हो, मौका देते हो, and directly you start dying slowly. It means here what concept we are getting from this stanza, that firstly we have to maintain our self-respect. It is the most important concept about the person and personality. As per the concept of personality, person plus qualities, that is personality. And here good personality always maintain his self-respect. And if what is saying, when you kill your self-esteem, what will happen? You start dying slowly. At the same time, you have to give or chance, or you have to give opportunity, and you try to get something from others also. You must take help of others also. If you don't take any help from others, indirectly you start dying slowly. It means you started to lose the hope. Then see the next stanza. If you become a slave of your habits, walking every day on the same path, if you do not change your routine, if you do not wear different colors, or you do not speak to those you don't know, you start dying slowly. It means here what poet is saying, to make our life happy and to live life happily, or we can say successfully, we have to make our, we can say, routine, and we should not be the slave of our habits, because if we are slave of our habits and if we are going on the same path every day, that means what will happen? There will be no innovation, there will be no we can say novelty in our life. We can't do anything new or creation if we are doing the same work daily, and if you do not change the routine, because change is the law of nature. Who want to change something, first of all he has to change himself. If there is no change in yourself, you can't change in anything. Just like we have a very famous quotation. Our greatest ability as a human is not to change the world, but to change ourselves. We have to change ourselves. If you want to do, or if you want to change anything or anywhere, you have to change first of all yourself. The poet is saying, if you don't change your routine, if you do not wear different colors, or you do not speak to those you don't know, or if you are avoiding to wear different colors, and if you are not talking with the people to whom you don't know, it means indirectly you start dying slowly. The next stanza, if you avoid to feel passion, it is also the very important concept about we human being. Here the term passion, जिसको हम समझने के लिए जोश और जज्बा कह सकते हैं, it is the most important factor in achieving success and doing everything, not only to do a very, we can say, challenging task, but also it is very important for doing anything, a very simple task. Passion helps us to do that task perfectly. It is the natural, we can say, ability we have, and we have to utilize it. We should not use it, we should utilize it. There is a difference between use and utilize. If we are using, it may be wrong use. If you are utilizing, it means you are using it properly. So I suggest to you, we have passion and we have to utilize it everywhere in our life. We human beings can't do anything without this passion. If you have passion, you will serve your parents. If you have passions, you will serve your, we can say, you will give respect to your teachers. If you have passion, you will serve to your nation. This passion helps us to do or to work properly. It encourages our, we can say, feeling. So what poet is saying, if you avoid to feel passion, अगर आप passion को feel नहीं करते या आप avoid करते हो, and their turbulent emotions, टर्ब्यूलेंट यहाँ पे हम थोड़ा सा आवारा से कुछ इमोशंस जो देता है ये पैशन। इसी तरीके से दोज विच मेक योर आइज ग्लिसन, यानी वो इमोशंस जो हमारी जो आंखें हैं उसमें चमक पैदा करते हैं। एंड योर हार्ट बीट फास्ट, यानी वो इमोशंस, टर्ब्यूलेंट इमोशंस जो हमारी हार्ट बीट को फास्ट करते हैं। अगर आप उसको क्या करते हो, इफ़ यू अवॉइड टू फील, तो इनडायरेक्टली यू स्टार्ट डाइंग स्लोली, मीन्स you started to lose the hope for happy future. Now see the next and the last stanza. If you do not change your life, same as we have discussed about the concept of change. Change is the necessity of the time. Whatever going on, we have to change. Change yourself, then see the changes in your surrounding. If you do not change your life, अगर आप अपनी लाइफ चेंज नहीं करते, when you are not satisfied with your job or with your love, what? Here also the concept of satisfaction. इत्मीनान हम जिसे कहते हैं. We human being perform every and each activity only just for getting satisfaction. It is the reality of our, we can say, life and our all the activities that we want satisfaction. Whatever activity we do in our daily routine, the main and the most important purpose of our all the activities is satisfaction. Here poet is saying, if you do not change your life, when you are not satisfied with your job or with your love, यानी क्या कह रहे हैं कि if you are not satisfied with your job or your love, means liking or whatever things you like, if you are not satisfied with that, अब here job, if you are a student, it's your job. What's your job? Your job is to study. Your job is to spend your time more and more, we can say, in your study only. You must try to gain more and more knowledge at this time. It's your job. And what poet is saying, if you are not satisfied with your job, what? Give up that. And if you are satisfied, you must do that perfectly. If you do not change your life when you are not satisfied with your jobs or with your love, if you do not risk what is safe for the uncertain, if you do not go after a dream, here also another concept is about dream. Firstly, the poet is saying, if you do not risk what is safe, and if whatever safe things are there, you have to take risk. And if you do not take risk, you have to take risk. And if you do not take risk, what for the uncertain, and whatever things are there uncertain, we have to take risk. And if we don't take risk, if you don't take risk, if you do not go after a dream, और अगर आप ख्वाब के आगे नहीं जाते, मतलब यहाँ पे if you don't follow dreams, dreams also the very important and we can say crucial concept about the success, because we have different successful personalities, those achieve their success, but first of all they had dream. Dreams helps us, dreams inspire us, dreams encourage us, dreams helps us to gather our all the, we can say, energies and we can say abilities, and we perform our tasks properly only because of this dream. So here, if you do not allow dream, if you do not go after a dream, and if you do not allow yourself, and if you do not allow yourself, अगर आप अपने आप को allow नहीं करते हो, whatever things are there, and for doing that, those things, if we don't allow to yourself, at least once in your lifetime, कम से कम एक मर्तबा भी लाइफ में, to run away from sensible advice, yeah, to run away, the poet is saying, sensible advice, wise advice. So sometimes people change their tracks, and they give up their activities. So here poet is saying that to run away from sensible advice, this type of advices may not be very much useful. Here poet is indirectly confirming that you have to try, you have to maintain your consistency. Here the poet is concluding this stanza by giving the concept of wise advice. So to run away from the wise advice, if someone advises you that you should give up this task, yeah, you are not able to do this, yeah, do another thing, do run away from that sensible advice, because sensible advice are wise advice, but sometimes those advice may not be helpful, that may be discourage to you. So do your task properly and try to make your life happy. In conclusion, this poem expresses the concept of existence and living. We people have to live, there should not be only the existence. Because if we want to live our life, what we have to do? We have to read, we have to change our routine, we have to accept challenges. If we want to prove that I am living being, I am living my life, and it means I am going to make my life happy, that means you have to accept every and each challenge, because these things help us, and these things prove that you are living your life or enjoying your life. Same as we have to try, you have to travel and you have to change your habits, you have to change your routine also. If there is a necessity, if there is a requirement, we have to change. Just like today we are observing that it is the necessity of the we can say circumstances or situations that we have to adopt different technologies. So we are adopting. Same as today we are observing that we have to participate in all the activities whatever we have in our surrounding. So if we are participating, it means we are changing, and if we are doing these things, it means we are living our life. Same as here, in conclusion, the poet also confirmed and conveyed important concept about passion, about dream, about success in life. Here, passion and dreams helps us to live our life, and most important thing, there should be self-respect, that is self-esteem. That is the most important concept. That concept is very important, and we have to realize that concept, that we have to be very careful about our self-respect, and if you will kill our self-respect, there will be nothing. We will get lots of opportunity, lots of things, but there will be nothing. So we have to maintain our self-respect.